What kind of wheel spacers are best for a BMW G20? Choosing high-quality BMW G20 wheel spacers and selecting the right thickness becomes an important issue. With the wide range of BMW G20 wheel spacers on the market, you need safe wheel spacers to fit your BMW G20 and ensure that they work even at high speeds and in complex road conditions. You need to choose the right BMW G20 wheel spacers. G20 wheel spacers are available in two types, one with hub-centric and one with the hub-centric. We recommend installing the wheel spacers with hub-centric. Hub-centric BMW G20 wheel spacers can eliminate the possible of vibration caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Hub-centric BMW G20 wheel spacers are perfect by professional wheel spacer manufacturers or auto parts with wheels overlock centric wheel spacers. You will need to install hub-centric wheel spacers or wheel adapters. If the BMW G20 aftermarket wheels have a center hole diameter larger than the diameter of the hub assembly neck, the installation of the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide a high level of stability. BONOSS BMW wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. In addition, the BONOSS BMW G20 wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is truly that the designs are expressive and geared towards improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of BONOSS BMW wheel spacers is the lightweight class design. The benefits of the lightweight class design are that the hollow design is further optimized based on traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can reduce weight and energy consumption and improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. BONOSS wheel spacers fit perfectly on the BMW G20. The wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly, giving it a more flush look with the fender. Remember to choose the same size of wheel spacers on the wheels as well.